Welcome to uCertify Computing Fundamentals, Must-Know Glossary Terms Part 1. Term: 1000 base T. Definition: a type of Ethernet that transfers data at up to 1000 megabits per second over twisted pair cables. Term: 3G. Definition: digital technology for moving data through a cell phone network at up to 14 megabits per second. Term: 4G. Definition: digital technology for moving data through a cell phone network at up to 100 Mbps. Term: absolute reference. Definition: in a formula or function, a reference to another cell that does not change if that formula or function is moved or copied to another cell. Term: accessibility options. Definition: features that help people with disabilities use Windows more easily. Term: accounting software. Definition: software that enables a small business to manage and track its financial health and transactions. Term: active cell. Definition: the cell that the cell selector is on. Any content entered will appear in the active cell. Term: active heat sink. Definition: a heat sink that is paired with a fan. Term: active matrix. Definition: an LCD type in which each pixel is actively maintained by a separate transistor. Term: active slide. Definition: the slide that currently appears in the slide pane in normal view in PowerPoint. Term: address bar. Definition: the field above the menu bar in Windows Explorer that shows the current path. Term: administrator account. Definition: a user account that has full permission to modify all aspects of Windows. Term: adware. Definition: a type of malware that pops up unwanted ads on the screen. Term: algorithm. Definition: a step-by-step procedure for performing a calculation. Term: Android. Definition: an open-source operating system used on a variety of portable devices, including tablets and smartphones. Term: animation. Definition: a movement effect of an object on a slide. Term: anti-spam software. Definition: software that rejects junk email messages. Term: app. Definition: an application such as for a personal computer, tablet, or smartphone. Term: application software. Definition: software that helps a human perform a useful task for work or play. Term: apps list. Definition: the list accessed from the start screen of all installed applications. Term: archive. Definition: to move items from the current location to another for backup purposes, a useful way of storing old messages while freeing up space for new ones. Term: archive attribute. Definition: a file attribute that indicates whether or not a file has changed since its last backup. Term: argument. Definition: a variable in a function placed in parentheses after the function name. Term: ascending sort. Definition: an A to Z sort or a sort from smallest to largest. Term: aspect ratio. Definition: the ratio of width to height on a display screen, such as 4:3, standard, or 16:9, wide. Term: attachment. A file that travels along with a text email to a recipient. Term: audio adapter. Definition: also called a sound card, a component of a computer system that accepts and processes audio input and delivers audio output. Term: audio clip. Definition: a file that stores a sound, narration, or music. Term: autocorrect. Definition: a feature that automatically corrects certain spelling errors. Term: autofill. Definition: the feature that enables content to be filled into adjacent cells by dragging the fill handle from the active cell. Term: autofit. Definition: automatically resizing a column width or row height to fit the largest entry. Term: automatic reply. Definition: a feature on a mail server that automatically sends a message back to each one received when it is enabled. Term: auto recover. Definition: a feature that automatically saves your work at specified intervals so you can recover it if the application terminates before you are able to save normally. Term: axis labels. Definition: the text on the axes of the chart that shows the values. Term: axis titles. Definition: the text on the axes of the chart that shows the meaning of the axis labels. Term: backbone. The central connection pathways of a network, where connection speeds are high and the data pathway is wide. Term: backstage view. Definition: the area of an Office application where you select commands that affect the entire active document or the application itself. Access it by clicking the File tab on the ribbon. Term: backup appliance. Definition: a specialized computer that performs backups and stores and retrieves backed up information. Term: backup set. Definition: a set of backup files created during a single backup operation. Term: backup software. Definition: software that enables and automates the process of backing up files to external media. Term: balloon. Definition: a rounded text box appearing in the space to the right of the document, containing a comment or a tracked change. Term: bandwidth. Definition: the amount of data that can be transmitted at a sustained rate by a communication channel or device. Term: bar chart. Definition: a chart that uses horizontal bars to represent values. Term: barcode reader. Definition: a scanner that reads and interprets barcodes, such as UPC symbols. Term: benchmark. Definition: a consistent measurement of performance. Term: bibliography. Definition: a list of the sources referenced in a document, commonly used in academic writing. Term: BIOS. Definition: the software that initializes and tests the system at startup. Term: bit. Definition: a single binary digit with a value of either 1, on, or 0, off. Term: BitLocker. Definition: a Windows feature that encrypts the entire hard drive so that it cannot be read if it is moved to another computer. Term: blacklist. Definition: a list of prohibited email senders. Term: blog. Definition: a web page containing the author's personal experiences and opinions. Term: blog platform. Definition: a web server that hosts the blogs of individuals, either free or for a small fee. Term: Blu-ray disc. BD. Definition: an optical disc used for storing high-definition movies and data, holding up to 25 gigabytes per layer. Term: Bluetooth. Definition: an inexpensive short-range networking technology used for computer-to-device connections, such as computer-to-printer or phone-to-headset. Term: borders. Definition: decorative lines used to enhance the appearance of a worksheet by outlining certain cells. Term: bot. Definition: a type of Trojan used to infect a zombie computer to conduct a DOS attack. Term: botnet. Definition: a network of zombie computers infected with bots, often numbering in the thousands. Computer criminals use botnets to conduct DOS attacks. Term: bridge. Definition: a connector box that enables you to connect two networks of similar types. Term: brightness. Definition: the degree of light or dark in a color. Term: broadband. Definition: a fast, always-on network connection. Term: bus. Definition: a conductive pathway built into a circuit board used to move data. Term: byte. Definition: an 8-digit binary number composed of 8 bits. Term: cable modem. Definition: a broadband modem designed to work with a cable internet connection. Term: cache. Definition: a small amount of fast memory located near or within the CPU. Term: Category 3 cable. Definition: a type of UTP cable used in telephone systems. Term: Category 5E cable. Definition: a type of UTP cable used in 1000 base T Ethernet networking. Term: cathode ray tube, CRT. Definition: an older type of monitor technology that uses a vacuum tube and electron guns to create a display image. Term: cell. Definition: the intersection of a row and a column in a worksheet. Term: cell address. The column letter and the row number that intersect to form the cell, such as A2 or BB6. Term: cell cursor. Definition: the thick line around the active cell in Excel, indicating that this is where typed text will appear. Term: cell selector. Definition: the movable dark outline around the active cell. Term: censorship. Definition: the act of suppressing speech or not allowing certain communications to be made public. Term: central processing unit, CPU. Definition: the main processor in a computer. Term: channel. Definition: an individual chat room on a chat server, such as IRC. Term: charge-coupled device, CCD. Definition: the light-sensitive sensor in a scanner that records the amount of light bounced back from the image. Term: charms. Definition: icons that appear in a charms bar when it is activated. These icons open parts of the Windows interface, such as search or settings. Term: charms bar. Definition: a bar that appears on the right side of the screen when you swipe in from the right or move the mouse pointer to the lower right corner of the screen, containing 5 charms. Term: chart. Definition: a graphic that illustrates and summarizes worksheet data. Examples include pie chart, line chart, and bar chart. Term: chart area. Definition: the entire chart. Term: chart style. Definition: a set of formatting applied to a chart as a whole. Term: chart title. Definition: the overall label for the chart, usually at the top of the chart area. Term: chat room. Definition: an online virtual room in which you can meet and talk to other people. Term: chipset. Definition: the controller chip on a circuit board. Term: Chrome OS. Definition: a thin client operating system created by Google for small notebook computers, netbooks. Term: circuit-switched network. Definition: a network that creates a point-to-point connection between locations that remains open for the duration of the communication. Term: citation. Definition: a reference to a source, that is, to the author and name of a published or unpublished work following a quotation from said source. Term: client. Definition: a computer used by an individual to run applications. Term: client server. Definition: a centralized network model that contains one or more servers dedicated to sharing data and resources over the network to clients. Term: clip art. Definition: a vector-based line drawing, an image inserted via the clip art feature in Office programs. Term: clipboard. Definition: a reserved area in memory for temporarily holding content that has been cut or copied from an application or from Windows Explorer. Term: clock cycle. Definition: one tick of the system clock. Term: cloud. Definition: a secure computing environment accessed via the Internet. Term: cloud storage. Definition: storage that is accessed from a cloud environment. Term: cluster. Definition: a grouping of sectors. The number of sectors in a cluster depends on the file system and the disk size. Term: CMOS setup. Definition: a built-in setup utility in the motherboard that enables users to adjust certain low-level configuration settings. Term: coaxial cable. Definition: cable that consists of a solid copper core with an insulated sleeve around it. Term: codec. Definition: a translation file used to play back a certain audio or video format, an abbreviation of coder-decoder. Term: cold boot. Definition: To start up a computer from a power-off state. Term, color depth. Definition, the number of bits needed to describe the color of each pixel in a certain display mode, such as 16-bit or 32-bit. Term, color palette. Definition, a grid of color choices that opens when you click a button for a feature that is color-related.